The overall goal of this protocol is to introduce the application of a bouncing ball with a uniformly varying velocity in a metronome synchronization task.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of sensory-motor synchronization and timing processing, such as whether sensory-motor synchronization is modality-specific. The main advantage of this technique is that synchronization of the introduced visual bouncing ball is comparable to synchronization of auditory tones.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Li Zhan, a grad student from our laboratory.
Begin by asking the subject to sit in front of a computer screen with a 60 cm viewing distance and have them put on a headset. Provide the subject with a written informed consent form to sign, followed by the experimental instructions explaining the metronome synchronization task. Next, open the experimental software on the computer. Start a practice session to allow the subject to become familiar with the 600 millisecond inter-onset interval or IOI sequences. After the subject has completed the practice trials, instruct them that the experimental session will begin next. Next, type bouncing ball_run with the